Hey guys, it's Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be reviewing another skincare that I just came across, and it's the latest launch from Clovia, which has been one of my all-time favorite lingerie brands for years now, and they have brought out their own range of skincare called the Botanica. So I'll be reviewing one of the products that I got my hands on from the range, and that's called Clovia Botanica Matcha Tea Face Mask. So let's get started with the video. So as I said before, Clovia has been one of my all-time favorite lingerie brands over the years now. I love the designs, their quality, and the range and the collections that they have, and I personally do own a lot of their nightwear over the years because I absolutely love their collections. So I was so excited when Clovia came out with their own skincare range, because skincare is something that I always love and associate myself with, and so trying out their skincare was pretty much on the books. So the range consists of number of skincare products, but I got my hands on one of them which I think was something I really wanted to try. That was this one, which is the Matcha Tea Face Mask. So as the name suggests, that is Botanica, all the products are made with natural plant-based ingredients with the goodness of Ayurveda, which is very good for your skin. When I went to their website, I browsed through all the collection that I could get hold of the skincare, and I actually went ahead and chose the product according to the skincare concern that I had. And so that way it's very easy to browse their skincare products on the website, and you can do the same. I wanted to pick up a good face mask for myself, and matcha tea is one of the ingredients that is very crucial for skincare, and I think it is one of the best ingredients that you can find. So I picked up their matcha tea face mask, which actually sounded pretty interesting and unique. This face pack consists of key ingredients like aloe vera, matcha tea, and seaweed. All these ingredients are great for your skin. Aloe vera helps in reducing hyperpigmentation as well as reduces the overproduction of melanin. Matcha green tea is a great ingredient. It helps in evening out your skin tone, reducing acne. And seaweed is of course great for anti-aging because it has anti-aging properties. The packaging looks really nice. It's a glass bottle and it is actually pretty tough, so it's good for your traveling as well. You have a protective lid, so it is hygienic for use, and this is how the mask looks like. It's very easy to apply this face mask. All you got to do is apply evenly over clenched face and neck, avoiding the eye area, and give it about 10 minutes to dry off completely. Then gently remove with warm water and pat dry using a soft clean towel, and that's it. That's how you're done. While applying the mask, I could feel how the consistency and the texture of the mask is. Generally, I do not like masks which have a very coarsey texture or a very harsh texture. This one is absolutely soft. It's very thick and rich in the texture, so it's very easy to apply evenly across your face. Because of the aloe vera in its ingredients, it cools down your skin instantly and also is not harsh, does not burn at all. I did not feel any kind of irritation or burning sensation or anything of that sort on my skin, which was great. So that's it. That's how you are done, and I could instantly see the results on my face. My face became so glowing and so soft and nice in texture. I could feel my skin was like refreshed, naturally glowing, and there was no dryness nor oiliness. It just was perfect. What I love absolutely about this particular range by Clovia is that it is a vegan product which is 100% cruelty free, has Ayurvedic goodness, and is enriched with essential oils. It has no sulfate, no paraben, no toxins, and no chemicals in it, and is also made in India, which makes it such a great thing. Now I have applied this mask 2 to 3 times before as well, and I can see the change over time instantly. So once you start using the face mask on a regular basis, you can see the change over time. I have now included this face mask as a regular part of my skincare routine, which really helps me out, evening out my skin tone, which was kind of like disrupted a little bit due to this festivals that had gone and all the exposure to chemicals and makeup and sunshine and everything. This face mask really helped me deal with all those issues. I use this face mask once in every week, which is the time frame you can use it for, and I absolutely love how magically good it is for my skin, how it's improved my skin quality and the texture of my skin as well. Just like me, if you want to try this face mask out, I have a special surprise for you. All you got to do is go to www.clovia.com and use the code that I'm showing below, and you get 10% off on your purchases from Clovia, an instant discount on the newly launched Clovia Botanica range. What are you waiting for, order now. Go ahead and check this face mask out at other website as well, but my code will be working only on www.clovia.com. I'll be listing it down in the description box below for you guys, so you can go ahead and place an order and check it out how magical it is. So guys, with that, we are done with today's video. Hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon below to get a regular notification every time I upload a video. You can also follow me on all my social media channels. All the links will be down in the description box below. I also love to hear from you guys if you have tried this product, if you're willing to try it out, or if you have any queries, any video requests, put it down in the comment section and I love to get back to you. So with that, we are done. Hope you are safe and happy and healthy. Ciao.